Ready to unlock the secrets of your gut? You might be wondering why the gut is so important and why everyone seems to be talking about it these days. Well, let me tell you, the gut is often referred to as the second brain of our body, and for good reason. It plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. From digestion to immunity and even our mood, the gut microbiome is at the center of it all. So buckle up as we dive deep into the fascinating world of the gut microbiome. Trust us, it's a game changer. Understanding your gut microbiome can truly transform your health. Imagine having the power to influence your digestion, immunity, and even your mental health just by taking care of your gut. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy, it's backed by science. And today, we're going to explore how you can harness this power. All right, health enthusiasts, listen up. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, a health-conscious individual, or just someone curious about how your body works, this information is for you. The gut microbiome is a hot topic in the health and wellness community, and for good reason. It's a key player in maintaining our health, and understanding it can help you make better choices for your body. Your gut microbiome is a bustling community of trillions of tiny organisms living in your digestive tract. Sounds kind of wild, right? These microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. They all coexist in a delicate balance, each playing a unique role in keeping your gut healthy. It's like a microscopic city, with each resident contributing to the overall well-being of the community. But these little guys are your health superheroes. They help break down the food you eat, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. They also produce essential vitamins and compounds that your body needs to function properly. And that's not all. They play a crucial role in protecting you from harmful pathogens and supporting your immune system. It's like having an army of tiny defenders working around the clock to keep you healthy. They help you digest food, fight off nasty bugs, and even boost your mood. Yes, you heard that right. Your gut microbiome is closely linked to your brain through the gut-brain axis. This means that the health of your gut can directly impact your mental health. A healthy gut can help reduce anxiety, improve your mood, and even enhance cognitive function. So taking care of your gut is not just about physical health, it's about mental well-being too. Imagine them as your personal health squad, working 24/7. They're always on the job, ensuring that your digestive system runs smoothly, your immune system stays strong, and your mood remains balanced. It's a complex and dynamic system, but when it's in harmony, it can have a profound impact on your overall health. And here's the cool part. You can actually feed them. Yes, you have the power to influence the health of your gut microbiome through your diet. The foods you eat can either nourish your gut bacteria or harm them. By making mindful choices, you can support the growth of beneficial bacteria and create a thriving gut environment. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains are their favorite snacks. These foods are rich in prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. When you consume prebiotic-rich foods, you're essentially providing your gut bacteria with the fuel they need to thrive. This, in turn, helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and supports overall gut health. Want to keep your gut squad happy? It's not just about what you eat. It's also about your lifestyle choices. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Water helps with digestion and ensures that your gut bacteria have the right environment to thrive. Regular exercise is another important factor. Physical activity promotes healthy digestion and can positively impact the composition of your gut microbiome. Stay hydrated, exercise, and avoid too much sugar and processed foods. It's that simple. Processed foods and high-sugar diets can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria. By making healthier choices, you can support the growth of beneficial bacteria and maintain a balanced gut environment. So next time you think about your health, don't forget your gut. It's easy to overlook the importance of gut health, but it's a fundamental aspect of overall well-being. By taking care of your gut, you're not just supporting your digestive system, you're enhancing your immune function, mental health, and overall vitality. Trust your gut, literally. Your gut is constantly sending signals to your brain, and it's important to listen to those signals. If something feels off, it might be a sign that your gut needs some attention. By tuning into your body's signals and making mindful choices, you can support a healthy gut and improve your overall health. Like this video if you learned something new and subscribe for more quick health tips. We're committed to bringing you the latest information on health and wellness, so stay tuned for more tips and insights. Your journey to better health starts with understanding your body, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching and take care of your gut. Welcome back, health warriors. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, the gut microbiome. This tiny ecosystem inside your body is more powerful than you might think. So buckle up and get ready to explore the fascinating world of gut health. Now that you know what the gut microbiome is, let's take a closer look at why it's so crucial for your overall health. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes. These tiny inhabitants play a significant role in maintaining your health and well-being. You might be wondering, why is the gut microbiome so important? Well, let's dive into the details and uncover the many ways it impacts your body and mind. From digestion to immunity, and even mental health, the gut microbiome is a key player in keeping you healthy. Imagine your gut as a bustling city, teeming with life and activity. Just like a city relies on its residents to function smoothly, your gut depends on its diverse community of microorganisms to keep things running efficiently. Each microbe has a unique role, contributing to the overall harmony of your gut. These tiny residents help you break down food, absorb nutrients, and even produce essential vitamins. Without them, your body would struggle to get the nutrients it needs to function properly. Think of them as your personal team of nutrition experts, working tirelessly to keep you nourished. When you eat, your gut microbiome gets to work, breaking down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into simpler forms that your body can absorb. This process is crucial for extracting the maximum amount of nutrients from your food. So the next time you enjoy a healthy meal, remember to thank your gut microbes for their hard work. But their job doesn't stop there. These microorganisms also produce essential vitamins, such as B vitamins and vitamin K, which are vital for various bodily functions. For example, B vitamins play a crucial role in energy production, while vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. But that's not all. Your gut microbiome is also your immune system's first line of defense. It helps to fend off harmful invaders, such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses, by competing for resources and producing antimicrobial substances. In other words, your gut microbes act as vigilant guardians, protecting you from potential threats. When harmful bacteria try to invade, your gut microbiome springs into action, neutralizing the threat and preventing infections. This intricate defense system is essential for maintaining a healthy immune response and keeping you safe from illness. And get this, a healthy gut can even lift your spirits and sharpen your mind. Recent research has shown that the gut and brain are closely connected, communicating through a complex network known as the gut-brain axis. This connection means that your gut health can directly influence your mood, cognitive function, and overall mental well-being. Yes, your gut and brain are best buddies, constantly chatting through the gut-brain axis. This communication pathway involves various signals, including hormones, neurotransmitters, and immune molecules, which travel between the gut and brain, influencing each other's function. For example, certain gut bacteria can produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a crucial role in regulating mood and emotions. In fact, about 90% of the body's serotonin is produced in the gut. This means that a healthy gut can contribute to a positive mood and emotional stability. So, maintaining a balanced gut microbiome isn't just about avoiding tummy troubles. It's about boosting your overall well-being. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome can help reduce inflammation, support a healthy weight, and even improve your sleep quality. It's clear that the gut microbiome plays a vital role in your health, from digestion and immunity to mental well-being. By nurturing your gut health, you can enhance your overall quality of life and enjoy a happier, healthier you. Remember, a happy gut means a happy you. So, what can you do to support your gut microbiome and keep it thriving? There are several simple yet effective strategies you can incorporate into your daily routine to promote a healthy gut. First and foremost, focus on eating a diverse and balanced diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods. These foods provide essential nutrients and prebiotics that feed your gut bacteria and help them flourish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips on nurturing your gut health and unlocking the full potential of your microbiome. Together, we can achieve optimal health and well-being. Until next time, take care and keep those gut microbes happy.